Hello everybody, regards from team Srikara Orthopedics and Srikara Hospitals. In Srikara Hospitals now we have started total hip replacement with navigation technology. It is available all across our 6 branches in Hyderabad. So all of us know that hip replacement is more difficult and a more delicate surgery, exacting surgery than knee replacement. So in hip replacement, the bigger problems are the dislocation of the hip, the ball from the cup. So you need an exacting methodology for putting the cup in a hip replacement. So towards this, if you look at this figure here, this is what navigation does. It tells you in the exact figures what is the inclination and what is the anteversion. Some angles of calculations it shows exactly, so that we prevent any dislocation. We make the surgery very exact, so a very precise surgery. We also see to it as far as possible that the limb length is restored, so the legs are equal in their length as far as possible with the use of the navigation. So when you do a very precise surgery, the life of the surgery increases, so the longevity increases. So hip replacement with navigation is now available in all Srikara Hospitals branches in Hyderabad. Thank you, your Akhil Dadi.